Hello, today I will be burping names. Okay, let's go with the first one.
Joanna,
Okay, his name was Shoshana.
Kevin,
So this was Kevin.
Gabby,
So it was Gabby.
Franco.
So this was Franco. Thanks for watching, and if you want more, just send me your name.